Looking for the perfect holiday drink to warm your spirits? Let me show you how to make a cozy cup of mulled wine that will have your home smelling like Christmas magic. Mulled wine is the ultimate festive drink. It's rich, aromatic, and incredibly easy to make. Whether you're hosting a holiday party or just curling up by the fire, this recipe is a must-have for the season. Here's what you'll need: a bottle of your favorite red wine, an orange, some sugar or honey, and warm spices like cinnamon, cloves, and star anise. And if you're feeling adventurous, a splash of brandy or orange liqueur will take it to the next level. First, slice up an orange and add it to a saucepan with the red wine. Toss in 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. Sweeten to your taste. Then add 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, and 2 to 3 star anise for that classic festive aroma. Set your stove to low heat and let the mixture warm up gently. Stir occasionally to dissolve the sugar. Remember, don't let it boil. You want to keep all that delicious flavor and a bit of the wine's kick. Now here's the secret to a truly indulgent mulled wine: a splash of brandy or orange liqueur. Stir it in just before serving, and you'll have a drink worthy of any holiday celebration. Finally, strain out the spices, pour the mulled wine into your favorite mug or glass, and garnish with a slice of orange or a cinnamon stick. Cheers to a cozy holiday season. So, there you have it. A simple and delicious mulled wine recipe that's guaranteed to bring warmth and cheer to your holidays. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive drinks.